In this video, guys, I will show you how to post a video on Reddit. So just watch and follow this video till the end. You have to open your Reddit first like this. And right now when you open Reddit, you just have to go and click on create. So after that, select the title of your post, and here in the body, we want to upload a video. We go and click here. And it's open here on our gallery, so we go and search for the video that we want. For example, I want this video, click add, and right now this is my video, guys. Just click next and it's going to upload, and then after that click on post, and that's all, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.